Alright, today we got a Leer 180 series fiberglass caps, a mid-roof design. It's the 14 to 18 Chevy bed, 5'8" bed, 5.5 foot bed. Sliding window on the side. This is in decent shape. Customer brought it to us off the truck. Looks like it's victory red in color. Does have the racks on the top edge. Looks good. The ladder racks or luggage racks are on there for kayaking or canoeing or whatever you want to do on there. The top edge of the paint and the top looks nice. No damage I can see up there. Front edge looks nice. Up to the window. Bottom edge is in good shape. It's not been chewed up or laid on the ground or anything like that. It's all in good shape there. Does have the half side sliders on it. Front's a picture window. Oh, my cleanup crew is gonna have to do a little bit of dirt on here. This is just dirt, but my cleanup guys are slacking, looks like. But that's some more dirt right there. This is just dirt. That should clean off there. Normally I have that cleaned off there, but bottom edge, just no damage on the front here. The top looks nice. Top and the top edge of this one look good. Looks like it has a scuff right there on the paint. Not seeing anything else here. The back edge look good. Bottom looks nice on here. No damage that I can see. Get right here, we do have a little bit of a gouge in the glass. When he brought it to us, he had it laying on the truck bed, the truck that didn't belong to, and it caught something there. And I prefer they bring them to us with, we take them off the truck, but not always does that happen. So half side slider on this side, double T handle in the back. Let's have a little bit of wear here from just paint wear, probably from the rubber flap hitting that, and a little bit of a chip right there. Third brake light there. Same thing on this side. Looks like you got a little bit of a paint wear, probably from the rubber flap hitting the paint there. The R on Leer is crooked. Does have the pet screens on it, so the extra pet screens keep your animals in from tearing the screens. They get dogs that get excited. Picture window in the front. It does have the pet screens on both sides. Sliding window, so ventilation for the little canines. This one does have the tie downs on the top. Has 4 tie downs on the top on this side, 4 on this side. This one does have the might take 2 hands to do this. Let's see. Yeah, it did require 2 hands. Okay. Does have the clothes hanger. I guess I should have kept 2 hands on it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, but so it does have the pull down clothes hanger on this side and one on this side. I'm not gonna do this one because most troubles I had with that one. Pop back up in place, latch it down. Double T handle locking rear door. There it is, cab height, or sorry, Leer 180 series mid-roof design top. Leer 180 series fits the 14 to 18 Chevy trucks with a 5.5 foot bed, red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link below. There's also a link below to our website in general. So just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that. This and all can be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.